Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Magluluto ako ngayon ng banana bread with oatmeal. Okay. Okay guys, ito yung mga ingredients ko. Meron tayong yung 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup and a half of mashed na banana, and 2 eggs beaten, and 1/4 fresh milk, 1.5 cup shortening of oil, and a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. At saka mag-a-add tayo ng half teaspoon of vanilla extra. Okay guys, mag-mix na tayo. Okay guys, first add natin yung oil or shortening, and then our sugar,
go.
okay, and then I go ahead add our, and then
It's fine.
and then vanilla extract half a teaspoon. Okay guys, and then we go ahead mix it until it gets fluffy.
Yeah, it looks fluffy. Smell like bananas.
That's my granddaughter just watching me.
Hey.
Okay, so we're gonna beat until fluffy. Okay guys, yan na siya. Oh, fluffy na siya. Then, tayo ng yung mag-start tayo dito sa na naman, yung flour. I-mix natin dito sa isang bowl. Tapos, then oatmeal. Okay, add natin yung baking soda. Yan. Salt. And cinnamon. Ground cinnamon. Tapos ihalo ka natin. Guide mix it. Okay guys, and then add na natin ang banana. Pagkatap, then milk. So, mix lang natin. Pagkatapos, i-add na natin dito sa okay, so we go ahead and add this. Okay, after I mix it, we go ahead pour it in the pan. Ayan guys, luto na yung ano ko. Banana bread with oatmeal. Yan, luto na. Slice na lang natin. Okay guys, yan. Masarap siya guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That's it for today. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you everyone.